Hello fellow warriors, Alpine here. Today we're going to be talking about the Onewind small tent that they just came out with. So let's open it up and see what you get. So when you open up the bag itself that the tent comes in is nice because you have these straps in the back. You can pull it down, tighten it up, get a little more smaller, which is nice. You get the tent itself. Wrapped up in the tent are the pegs. These are nice. You get 10 of these. They're like MSR groundhogs. The tent bag, they went as far as to put like a waterproof tape around the top. I like that feature. You get 2 tie-offs, orange cords. And then they also give you this. In consideration of being stealthy, you could take this and the cords that are on the tent, you can take off on the zippers and tie off with this green cord, be a little more stealthy. It's a nice touch. All right, so here we have it all set up. Tent has a vent right here on the top, which is nice. Also has a vent that runs along the bottom. This flap right here is lifted up. Underneath that is a vent. I'll show you from the other side. So it kind of looks like they got that idea from maybe a Pomley tent, like the stove hut. That one has the same type of vent on the side of it. It runs across the whole bottom. That opens up for ventilation, which is really a nice feature. So I have the top up right now in porch mode. And this tent is kind of unique in the fact that the bottom is shorter than the top, as you can see. So what that would enable you to do when it's raining is the water can cascade down on a slope and not get pitched in the middle, which is nice. Now I have this set up on a ridgeline. This is actually a ridgeline that Onewind makes also. They just came out with this black edition. It was originally an orange. So this works very well for that. And then you don't have to worry about too many stakes or making them. You have loops on the top that I put toggles in to hold it to the line in the center of it, which lifts it. It's nice that they include those. So then on the end of the tent, what they give you is these loops that I put a toggle in to hold it onto the ridge line with your press-it loop. These are the lines you can run out if you're using poles. I just left them there. Then as far as the screen goes, you can lift that up as well. Once this is lifted, this door that's lifted right now, you can roll it up and put it on those toggles right there. If you want it out of the way, you don't want it in porch mode. I like the fact they give you that too. These orange tie-offs, pull zippers. This is what they were talking about before if you want to switch these out for the green ones that they give you to make it a little more stealthy. This is the green ones, the green cord that they give you, which is nice that they do that. One thing to mention is this side of the tent that's lifted in porch mode right now. Totally zippers down on itself. It's got a zipper, runs down the whole end. So you can zipper it down on both sides to close it up, which is great when it's raining. Plus the fact that they have an overflap over the zipper that actually has Velcro on it. So you can Velcro it closed. So this will help for the rain too. It's nice how they did that. Inside the tent, you also have, they give you this pocket. So you have something to put your phone in or whatnot. I'm 6'2" and I'm sitting up in the tall end of the tent. I have plenty of room. This is quite comfortable. For one person, for a stealthy tent that you can bring, use like as a bivy tent, this is another great option to have. Something else I wanted to mention, this product, Kiwi makes it, called Camp Dry. This stuff is great. You spray it on your tent, you spray it on your boots, and it makes it completely waterproof. Something to keep in mind. It'll definitely help if you're worried about leaks. Definitely works great on boots. I've used it for that, and it waterproofs them really well. So, food for thought. Keep it in mind. So there you have it. That's the Onewind one-person tent. I think it's another great option to do your stealth camping or to just have with you in your backpack for a lightweight tent that you can do a bunch of different things with. Take care, everyone. Stay strong. Be limitless.